In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols in Gmail. We've all been there, drafting an email, trying to convey just the right emotion or intent, and feeling like plain text isn't quite cutting it. Sometimes a little extra flair is necessary, and that's where symbols come in handy. Whether you're looking to include a smiley face, heart, or any number of special characters, Gmail offers some straightforward ways to sprinkle a bit of personality into your messages. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Google. Just type in "how to insert symbols in Gmail" into the search bar. Trust me, this is a great starting point to familiarize yourself with the different ways you can include symbols in your Gmail messages. The search results should pull up a variety of resources that will guide you on this journey. Next, after you've familiarized yourself with the basics from your Google search, go ahead and open Gmail. You can do this by simply going to the Gmail website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Gmail dashboard. This is your main hub for sending and receiving emails. Ready to compose that message with a touch of pizzazz? Hit the Compose button, usually located on the upper left side of the Gmail window. This will open a new email window where you can start crafting your message. Here's where the fun begins. When you're drafting your email and are ready to insert a symbol, there are two main techniques you can utilize. The simplest method is to utilize the built-in toolbar. You know that row of icons that appear along the bottom of the Compose window? Yep, that's the one. Look for the smiley face icon, which represents emojis. Click on it, and a panel will open with a whole array of emojis and symbols you can choose from. Click on the one you want, and it will automatically be added to your email. But what if the symbol you seek isn't included in that emoji window? You have another option: copy and paste. Head back to your Google search from earlier and look for a site that lists the character or symbol you're after. Once you've found it, simply highlight the symbol, right-click, and select Copy. Go back to your Gmail draft, position your cursor where you want the symbol, and right-click again to select Paste. Voila! The symbol should now be part of your email. Closing out, double-check your work to ensure that everything is displaying correctly in the draft before hitting Send. Adding symbols to your emails can truly bring your communication to life, making them more engaging and expressive. Master these techniques, and you'll be well on your way to crafting emails that truly stand out in your recipient's inbox. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.